Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we will show you how to join the KrispCall affiliate program, your gateway to earning lucrative commissions while promoting the leading VoIP service in the industry. Here's everything you need to know to get started and maximize your earnings. With KrispCall's affiliate program, you can earn an unbeatable 30% lifetime commission on each unique referral, the highest in the VoIP industry. But that's not all. As a KrispCall affiliate, you'll enjoy exclusive perks like special discounts and complete transparency. Plus, with a 90-day cookie lifespan, you'll keep earning commissions even if referrals take time to convert. Gain full visibility into your referral activity with detailed reports on the dashboard. Track your clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time, allowing you to optimize your marketing efforts for maximum results. KrispCall ensures timely payments to all affiliates, so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about when you'll receive your earnings. You can initiate the withdrawal process via PayPal, bank, or Stripe from your dashboard from the 8th to the 13th of every month. Ready to join the KrispCall affiliate program? Visit krispcall.com/partners/affiliates. Next, just click on the Become an Affiliate button on our website. Then, click on Join Now and fill out the form. Once you fill in the form, within days, you'll receive approval containing your personal referral link and gain access to resources with your unique affiliate dashboard. Now, share that link on your website, blog, or social media channels to start earning commissions on every referral you generate for KrispCall. So what are you waiting for? Join the KrispCall affiliate program today and start earning passive income while promoting a trusted and innovative VoIP solution. If you need additional information, feel free to contact us at affiliate@krispcall.com.